In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Clash of Clans when it's not opening or stuck on the loading screen. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the issue is network related. A weak connection can often prevent the game from launching properly. Next, close the game completely and reopen it. If that does not work, restart your device. This helps clear temporary glitches that might be stopping the game from loading. Next up, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the game Clash of Clans. If you see the option update, click on it. Running an outdated version can cause crashes or loading issues. Likewise, try restarting your device and make sure your storage is not full. Low storage can stop games from launching properly. If this solution didn't work out for you, completely delete the app from your device. For that, press and hold on the app. Select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete, then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. And if nothing works, it might be a temporary server issue, so you may need to wait and try again later. To check that, you can launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Detector. If you found out outages, you'll need to wait. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix Clash of Clans not opening. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.